All right, Vertex painting. So what we're trying to do is automatically paint anything onto the surface here. So first we need a source or our paintbrush. So we're going to switch to this guy, add in a cube, which is fine. And it can be any shape if you wanted. I'm going to scale it down. So now first we need to set this as a paintbrush. So in the physics property, we're going to make it a dynamic paint, select paintbrush, and then add the paintbrush. First thing we need to do is choose our color. We're going to go with white. And then we're going to do it based on proximity, so that way it, whatever the heat source is, radiates away from whatever our paintbrush is. So that should be set up. All these are fine for now. Now we need to select what we're painting onto. So this guy's going to be our canvas. I'm going to make this canvas, add it. And the one special thing that you have to do here is add a vertex or whatever you're going to be painting on. So I'm just going to hit the plus here. You can name this whatever you wanted. Now to actually get it to show up, you have to add the vertex color. I'm going to plug that guy in, and the same name that we had over here in the paint map layer, we have to add here. There's only one, and then it should be ready to go. So now as we move this in, it should be painting our surface. And the other cool thing is that we can add multiple. So if we had a heat source over here, then that would add that as well. So now we need to burn this image out, or bake it out, excuse me. So I'm going to be using Simple Bake for this. Where am I at? Okay, yeah, our UV map's messed up. So I'm going to project this. And of course it's all squirrely. We could use the pack master for UVs, but let me just do this real quick. It's fine. You know what? While I'm here, let's section off some areas. Okay, so now we got that. So to bake it out, we need to go to our render tab. That's render, right? Yeah, render, cycles. And normally I would use bake, but it doesn't seem to always work. So settings, bake objects, we're going to add this and then bake it out. So now where are we at here? Image, select our cycle thingamabobber, goes away. All right, anyways, selected that, and we can see the parts line up correctly. So now we should be able to take this guy, and then boom. Now it's baked out, and we're ready to go.